afternoon, folks. Happy weekend. Hope everyone is having a great weekend today. Today we're gonna make some lamb chops. We got 3 piece here. We already seasoned this here and was in the fridge overnight with lots of green seasoning, sazon, black pepper, some wine also, red wine vinegar.
Red wine vinegar.
And we're gonna put in some veggies in here too. Sweet potato,
So we got some red baby potatoes, some carrots,
Carrots.
some sweet potatoes, and some veggies over there, like some different types of sweet peppers, red pepper, yellow pepper, orange pepper, red onions, and so on.
Yeah.
And we're gonna be slow cooking it in this bad boy right here. Yeah.
And we're gonna cook this for a few hours.
So we're gonna slow cook it.
So we're gonna prepare it now. We love lots of onions. So we're gonna spread
Yeah,
onion.
love red onions. Or sweet onions, I think it's what it's called.
Yeah. I'll put some of these scallions.
Celery.
Celery. And I'll put one of my secret ingredients here that I love to put in everything. A little bit of green seasoning. We got onion, garlic, and thyme grind up in here with shallot. All the good stuff.
Yeah. It makes everything taste that much better using green seasoning. So that's our lamb chop.
I'll put in some tomatoes in here at the bottom of it. I love lamb chops.
Babe, our pot is already looking very colorful.
Yeah. I'll put in some sweet pepper in here. We got red, yellow, and orange sweet pepper. Of course, some more onion in here. And I'll go ahead and lay this bad boy in here.
So this lamb chop has been seasoned since yesterday and was kept in the fridge.
Yeah.
So I'm sure it's gonna taste really good because it's been seasoned overnight.
Yeah.
Nice. Pack that in, I guess.
Put in some of that guy there.
So we have baby red potatoes and sweet potatoes and carrots. So it's like a pot of goodies when it's all said and done.
This will taste amazing with all the flavor in here.
And it's all done by our favorite chef, Chef Vishal.
So we got
The only realest chef, the only realest chef out of Guyana on YouTube, Vishal. Right, babe? You're the real chef, right?
Yep. So we'll put some more of these tomatoes on top. Some more onions in here.
Hope you guys been enjoying our videos on cooking with Vish and Nalini. Hope you all have been, well, you've been sharing or talking about our channel with their family and friends. Bring them on, have them subscribe. We need all the subscriptions we can get.
Yeah, for sure.
Right? Yummy.
And so you'll put some sea salt in here. We already seasoned it with salt. I'll put some sea salt. Sea salt is really healthy.
Oh, I can smell the aroma. It's starting to cook.
Some crushed pepper, of course. Black pepper. This thing gonna come out or what?
Yeah, guys, so we're making lamb chops with potatoes, sweet potatoes, red potatoes, carrots, and some veggies.
And I'll put some thyme in here.
Yummy.
This fine thyme I'm putting in is gonna give it a lot of flavor.
Hey folks, all right, so we're gonna add some water here. Should use a better cup, babe.
You want me to
Okay,
put it in
no,
here?
I got it.
Okay.
So we're gonna add some water to cook this lamb. And we are going to be slow cooking this
For I think 2
for
hours,
about
2.5
2
hours.
hours to 2.5 hours, and we'll be back to show you the finished product.
Yeah.
Hope you guys are having an amazing weekend. Smile.
Yeah, we're gonna come back and show you guys midway of it too. I think we're gonna add a little bit more water in here and see how it goes.
Yeah. Hey guys, so this is our finished product. This is our lamb chops with sweet potatoes and baby red potatoes, carrots, and veggies. It tastes amazing because we tasted the piece. It's cooked to perfection. The meat is falling off the bones, and the aroma is amazing. It
so good in the
smells
house.
the entire home up beautifully. It was beautifully done. It tastes good. It smells good. And we cannot wait to dig into this. Make sure you subscribe to our channel when you're gonna watch this video. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to Cooking with Vish and Nalini. Make sure you smash that notification bell so that when we posted new videos, you'll be notified, because you don't want to miss our videos, because we have some scrumptious looking food. Our food is amazing. It tastes good. You can always find our recipe in the description section, in the description box. And yeah, that's it. So we're gonna dig into this. We'll sit down, we'll watch a TV show, and we'll enjoy our lamb chops with sweet potatoes and red potatoes and carrots, and you know.
Hey guys, and we also making
We're also baking some salmon, which we'll do a new video for, so you can make make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll get a notification when we post up our salmon video. It's going to be amazing. We're gonna have all the recipe there, how to make it, and so yep.
All right, guys, thanks for watching.
Subscribe, make sure you leave a comment, leave a like for us, let us know we're doing a good job. We appreciate all the feedback you've been leaving. We love responding to your comments, so keep them coming. Peace out.
One love. Peace out, guys.